In this video, we will talk about Python variables. So what are variables? Variable is a box that holds certain value, that is stored in some memory location. From the beginning, we were only seeing an example with respect to a type of a string which is denoted via quotes, single, double or triple quotes. Now we will see what are the different types of variables that are available in Python. So let's get started. Say I'll take a variable with a name patient underscore name is equals to, and as a name should be a string, all double quoted or a single quoted, however you prefer. I'll say Arjun. Arjun is a patient name, and second variable patient age. Arjun is 18 years old, and last variable is patient underscore weight is equals to say 65. Now as you can see, everything is quoted through double quotes. Now what I'll do, I'll remove them. Is this even valid? Of course yes, these are valid statements. To add few more information to it, say I will make it as 65 kgs and 0.5. Okay, now let me try to print each one of them. Age, print, weight. Save it, run this script, variables.py. So you can access all types of variables. Basically in Python we have numbers, that what this denotes. So number could be floating point numbers as well. Okay, so numbers, string, list, tuples, dictionary. Okay, so all these kinds of basic variable types are available in Python. In the next video we will talk each one of them in details. Thanks for watching.